Welcome back. Tesla's Elon Musk announcing new high-performance Model 3. Forget this, $78,000. Gerri Willis with all the details this morning. Gerri.
That's right, Maria. If you got a little extra change, you want to buy a car, well, maybe it's this one. There may be production delays at Tesla, but a brand spanking new Model 3 is on the way, and CEO Elon Musk says, hey, deliveries are going to start in July. Elon Musk announcing details about a high-performance upgrade for Tesla's Model 3 electric cars in a series of tweets, including one version that more than doubles the sedan's cost. The performance version of the Model 3, as Maria said, will cost around $78,000 and will feature a top speed of 155 miles per hour, going from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. The Tesla chief executive compared the souped-up model to BMW's high-performance M3, if you're familiar with that line, which starts around $67,000. Musk tweeting this, quote, about the same as BMW M3, but 15% quicker and with better handling. Will beat anything in its class on the track. I guess we'll have to wait and see. The regular dual-motor version will have a top speed of 140 miles per hour and hit 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, adding $5,000 to the base price of $35,000. The Model 3 was intended to be Tesla's first affordable mass-market sedan. The range of both all-wheel drive dual-motor versions will be the same as the current Model 3, about 310 miles per hour. And as we've reported, Model 3 plagued by production delays. And last week, a report said the car maker would shut down production again later this summer to upgrade production lines and hit targets of making 5,000 per week. I don't know how this makes this easier, but I can tell you that the stock was down pretty mightily on Friday, about 2.7%, down 11% on the year. It looks like it's going to open higher today.
It's interesting that they're building a new Model 3, even as people question the liquidity of this company, that they're going to be running out of cash.
Right. That's a big question, I think, for a lot of investors in this stock. And I think that the promises of more, production, more models, more this, more that, is people are starting to question this, right?
I think the question I have is, where's the focus? It seems to be all over the place that makes it hard to understand what is the future of this business going to be.
This is a natural brand extension, though, for that car.
Is it? Okay.
It's a natural brand extension to appeal to the people who like Tesla in the first place. Although I have issues with Elon Musk, the personality, I think that this is a natural move. But again, maybe it's to change the focus away from the production problems to a more positive narrative, to your point.
Could be.
Do you think another car maker is going to pump capital into this company?
That's a good question. You mean, or is it too expensive, though, to get? You mean just as an investment or a takeout?
Takeout.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah,
well, everybody
prestige.
says they need to have somebody else build their cars because they can't seem to do it. So maybe, do a deal with GM or a Ford or somebody to actually produce these cars. Big questions if they can actually get these on the road.
As a car enthusiast,
I would car maker like Korea.
Right.
Who
As a car enthusiast, I would recommend buying a used M3 from BMW rather than forking over nearly $80,000.
They're pretty cool.
Exactly. Nothing wrong with just a internal combustion engine, if you will.
But you think Tesla gets acquired?
Ultimately, yes.
Yeah. Gerri, thank you.
You're welcome.